let's look at how to tidy away your thread and finish it after straight stitch. So in this case here, I would probably duck my needle under a couple of those straight stitches. I'd leave a little loop. It's nice and kind of firm and secure in the middle, so I can anchor my loop off the middle, pull through the thread, and then I'm just going to really gently tighten that into a knot. Now there's not really anywhere nearby for me to weave my tail under to tidy it away, which I might do if there was, for example, an outline stitch nearby, like back stitch or split stitch, but instead what I'm going to do, I'm just going to snip a tail. I leave, I think it's sort of 1/4 to 1/2 inch worth of a tail. Now let me show you what to do if you've just done a single straight stitch. So let's say you've done one over here. I'm just doing this backwards. Okay, so we've got a nice straight stitch here. And how would you finish this off? Well, I think the easiest way is to take your needle off your thread. Now, we're working with 6 strands of floss here, so even if you're working with less, just separate your strands of floss out into 2 lots. You've got to go really slowly so they don't tangle. So I've separated it into 2 lots. Now I'm just going to do a simple overhand knot, and I can pull that so it's nice and flush with the top of the fabric. And then let's do that again to secure it. It's just like tying your shoelaces, but you do 2 of them. And pull that nice and tight. So now you've got a nice knot that's really flush with the fabric. And then just again snip off a tail. And that's how you tidy away your thread after straight stitch.